Hello! Today we're diving into the mysterious world of black seed oil, an ancient remedy with incredible modern-day benefits. Stick around to find out why this miracle oil is gaining popularity and how it can transform your health. First, let's talk about the powerful compound that makes black seed oil so special, thymoquinone. This bioactive component is known for its impressive anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Studies have shown that thymoquinone can help reduce inflammation and protect cells from oxidative stress. But what does that mean for you? Well, it translates to a host of health benefits, starting with a significant boost to your immune system. Black seed oil is like a natural shield for your body. It strengthens your immune system, helping you fend off infections and illnesses. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that black seed oil can enhance the body's immune response, making it a powerful ally during cold and flu season. Imagine feeling more resilient and less prone to catching every bug that goes around. That's the power of black seed oil. Next up, let's talk about skin health. If you're struggling with acne, eczema, or psoriasis, black seed oil might just be your new best friend. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, black seed oil can help soothe irritated skin and reduce redness. Applying black seed oil topically can improve skin hydration and texture. Plus, its antioxidant properties help fight free radicals, which are responsible for premature aging. Say hello to smoother, more youthful skin. But the benefits don't stop at your skin. Black seed oil is also fantastic for your hair. If you're dealing with hair loss, dandruff, or scalp issues, incorporating black seed oil into your hair care routine can make a big difference. The nourishing properties of black seed oil can strengthen hair follicles, promote growth, and add shine to your locks. It's like giving your hair a natural boost from root to tip. Now let's talk about your gut. A healthy digestive system is crucial for overall well-being, and black seed oil can help with that too. Its anti-inflammatory properties can soothe the digestive tract, reducing symptoms of bloating, gas, and even irritable bowel syndrome. Taking black seed oil can help regulate digestion and improve gut health, leading to better nutrient absorption and overall wellness, so you can enjoy your meals without worrying about digestive discomfort. Another incredible benefit of black seed oil is its positive impact on heart health. Regular consumption can help lower cholesterol levels and regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Research published in the Journal of Hypertension showed that black seed oil can significantly reduce blood pressure in individuals with hypertension. By supporting your heart, black seed oil helps you maintain a healthy and active lifestyle. Joint pain can be debilitating, but black seed oil offers a natural solution. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce pain and swelling in the joints, improving mobility and quality of life. Imagine being able to move freely and comfortably again. Black seed oil can help make that a reality by alleviating the discomfort associated with joint pain. So how can you incorporate black seed oil into your daily routine? It's simple. You can take it as a supplement in a capsule form, or use the oil itself in your cooking or skincare routine. For those who prefer convenience, capsules are an excellent option. Just make sure to choose a high-quality product from a reputable source to ensure you're getting the most benefits. Black seed oil is generally safe for most people, but it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before starting a new supplement, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or have any pre-existing health conditions. In summary, black seed oil is a versatile and powerful natural remedy with a wide range of health benefits. From boosting your immune system and improving skin health to supporting heart health and relieving joint pain, this ancient oil is truly a modern-day miracle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and natural remedies. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay healthy and stay curious. Remember, nature has the answers to many of our health questions, and we're here to help you discover them one step at a time. See you in the next video.